Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by planning a simple app structure that matches your goal. Decide on 3 core sections: input forms, logic, and submission storage. Choose a primary form with 10 to 20 fields, including required fields and conditional fields that change per answer. Sketch user flow with 5 to 8 screens and label each screen for navigation. Define data endpoints where submissions will go, such as Google Sheets, Airtable, or Jotform tables, and note any integrations you need before building. Open Jotform and build one form that will act as your app backbone. Create 10 to 20 fields and use clear labels. Include name, email, and any numeric or file upload fields. Add conditional logic to show or hide sections based on answers and values, and calculate totals using form calculations if needed. Configure email notifications, autoresponders, and set a redirect to a thank you screen or URL for completed submissions. Test each logic path thoroughly. In Jotform, open apps and create a new app. Add your primary form as a widget or page inside the app builder. Customize layout. Choose one of 3 layouts, set header text, colors, and an app icon, arrange navigation items, and add external links or documents. Configure privacy and access. Require login, password, or allow public access, and connect integrations like Zapier. Publish with a shareable link, embed code, or custom domain. Finally, test on desktop and mobile, fix issues, and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.